5th August 2019, India, in the leadership of their Prime Minister Modi, abrogated Article 370 and 35A just to change the powers and constitution and other things in occupied Kashmir. Not only that, they changed the demography of occupied Kashmir. They have given fake domiciles to 500,000 Hindu Indians so that they can be settled there, whereas so many cities have been demolished just to give space to the new fake domicile people, and the indigenous people are scattered somewhere. So this is a time that when Modi wants to change the demography, he also changed the delimitations of occupied Kashmir, although Hurriyat Conference and other leaders never participated in the farcical and fraudulent election of occupied Kashmir. However, they have changed delimitations because they just want to make a Hindu chief minister of occupied Kashmir to show to the world that there is a majority of Hindus in that state. And moreover, India is subjugating the people of occupied Kashmir. They have increased their violation of human rights in occupied Kashmir, keeping in mind that there are Indian elections next year, and he wants to keep on his Hindutva policy to win the elections. However, India has exposed internationally. There were times during Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru that they were telling to the international community that they are the largest democracy in the world. They are the secular state. But now, Modi has exposed India. Now everybody knows that India is an elected dictatorship of Hindus against the minorities. And when Modi went to United States, even Obama categorically said, if they continue to violate the rights of Muslims and other minorities in India, India is bound to be disintegrated. Similarly, in Manipur, they are suppressing the Christians of Manipur, and European Parliament passed a resolution condemning India, saying that there should be a Christian state of Manipur. So there are so many international voices coming. India is getting exposed. All I will say, the Kashmiris and of course Pakistanis living abroad to play their role when Modi is trying to change the whole system. He wants to finish the Kashmir issue. He want to change the whole history. So I will urge all the Kashmiris, Pakistanis, and all those who believe in human dignity and social justice to come forward and support the people of Kashmir for the just right of self-determination, the resolutions which have been passed by the United Nations, and also United Nations Commission for Human Rights in his report in 1918 and 1919 clearly said that India is violating human rights, and they suggested that there should be investigation of inquiry about the human rights violation in India. So this is a time that we should give matching response to Modi diplomatically.